Good morning, I am Mr. Bartel, so excited to talk with you about our PBIS system at Excel. That's right, Positive Behavior Intervention System. I am here, of course, with Mr. Wright and with Mr. Riley. And we have in front of us all of these cool, exciting prizes. Wouldn't you guys agree?
Oh yeah,
I mean, look at all this great stuff. I mean, play some clips here. You have a little basketball action, volleyball, we got coloring, games, headphones, I mean, all kinds of good stuff. But hey, before we get to the specifics on how these prizes can be earned by all of our wonderful students, I think we should at least let students know what the big three are. They've probably heard about them already from teachers. Well, let's go through them. What's one of our big three, Mr. Wright?
Be safe.
And Mr. Riley, what else we got?
Be respectful.
And you left me with be responsible as our third one. Well, what do those three things even look like now? I mean, when we get into different areas, for example, like the playground where we're standing right now, or the bathrooms, hallway, office, what does it look like to do those three things? Let's go through it, figure out how we earn these tickets, and then we'll come back to how you earn some of these cool prizes.
Hey, hello, office lady, look, gotta pass. Can you help me? Help, please, little help. Take that. Okay, medicine. My medicine. Excuse me, I have an office pass.
Awesome. What's going on?
I think I need something for a headache.
Okay. Well, let me check and see if I have a form for you. If not, you have to come on.
Well, good morning, everyone. Today's math class, we are going to focus on area models for multiplication. So allow me, if you would, to go ahead and draw what we were talking about yesterday to get us started. You'll remember we had like a rectangle. That was sort of our start point. Seems like everything okay, Mr. Wright?
I'm fine.
Okay, perfect. Okay, so what we had yesterday, as you recall. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to a new day of math class. If you recall, we started yesterday out talking about an area model for multiplication. So I'm going to go ahead and draw the rectangle we had yesterday for starters. And then, before I draw what's next, does anyone remember from yesterday how we used a rectangle to help us with the area model? Yes, Mr. Wright.
How high can you go?
Higher than you.
Nope, I don't think so.
Hi, that looks really super duper fun and cool.
It is.
It's so fun.
You guys have been on there for like a super long time. Do you think I could have a turn?
Nope.
Not this day.
Could I please?
Nope. We're going to be on here the whole recess.
Bye. See you later.
See you later, alligator. I could go higher than you.
Never.
Yeah.
Hi, wow.
Hey, Mr.
Hey,
Bartel.
how's it
Hey, that
going?
looks super cool and fun, is it?
It is fun.
Awesome. Hey, do you think maybe I could have a turn and try it?
Oh, of course. We
Sure.
can. You
Yeah.
can
Been
have
in here for a
mine.
while.
Awesome. Well,
Yeah.
thank you. Thank you,
Oh,
Mr.
thank you.
Riley.
Yeah, there you
Awesome.
go.
Oh, thanks.
Love.
I can go higher than you.
No way. You can't.
Woohoo!
This is super fun. Thank you, Mr. Riley, for sharing.
You're welcome. Have fun.
All right. Hey guys, how are you? Hey.
Mr. Bartels.
Great to see you. Well, everything okay here?
Great.
Yep. Good. Really good.
There's no phone over here.
No phone over there.
Fine.
Great
Fine.
to see that,
You're
guys.
fine. Yep.
Awesome. Glad we're remembering that important rule. All right. Have a nice day.
Me too.
Sure.
Hey, so I saw this really funny TikTok video. I've got my phone and can I show it to you?
Probably not right now. You know, we're not supposed to have our phones at recess.
Hey guys, how are we?
Hey, hi, Mr. Bartels.
Great to see you. Hope your day's going well.
Thank you, sir.
I'll show it to you after school.
All right, awesome.
Excuse me, Mr.
Hey,
Bartels.
good morning. Yeah. Good morning, guys.
Good to see you.
You too. Hi. Oh. How's your day?
Pretty good. How about you?
Good. Doing pretty good. Kind of hungry though. It's almost snack time. I think we get pizza today. I like pizza today.
It's my favorite day.
Mine too. Tempted to throw this at you, but I'm just gonna put it nicely in the trash can.
You might get...
Well, I am back in my office, and that was a lot of fun putting those little skits together of the types of things we should do and the types of things we really shouldn't do in different locations in the school. As all of you know, because you've heard it so many times in your classrooms already, we have 3 big rules at Excel. Be safe, be respectful, be responsible. I'm sure you picked up in those skits as we went around the building, things that probably weren't so respectful. Interrupting in the middle of the office, creating a scene in the middle of a classroom, not very respectful. Probably saw some things that weren't very safe either. Running through the hallway, smashing into somebody, not very safe. And then of course we have to be responsible as well. We do need to make responsible choices. You probably picked up on that one from the bathroom, I'm guessing, right? Do it the wrong way by throwing water on each other or throwing paper towel around the bathroom versus, hey, let's clean things up, right? Let's do it the right way. Let's all do our part to be responsible. Well, when you do things the right way, whether it's in the bathroom, whether it's on the playground, whether it's in the hallway, whether it's in the classroom, whether it's coming to the office and using your manners, you earn Eagle tickets. Maybe not each and every single time, but for sure we want to catch you doing good things and get you those Eagle tickets. So let's go to the store, figure out about those Eagle tickets, figure out how much things cost, because we want you saving those up to earn some cool things this year. I hope you enjoy this last part. Well, we are back right now at the price table. You can earn lots of these cool things with your Eagle tickets if, as we've shown you in the different locations throughout the building, you are doing it the Eagle way, doing it the right way by being safe, being respectful, being responsible. Let's go through a few of these amounts though that you need to have for some of these prizes, shall we? Mr. Wright, I know you had your eye on a couple things.
I'm taking a look here at these Uno cards, a brand new set of Uno cards. You can get these for only 5 Eagle tickets. And then I'm taking a look at this Excel Charter Academy t-shirt, and this is going to cost you, you'd have to do a little saving, but it will cost you 100 Eagle tickets. Well worth it.
Very nice. Thanks, Mr. Wright. And Mr. Riley, I know you were looking at a few things earlier.
Yeah.
What'd you want to highlight?
So I got my eye on this football right here because football is my favorite sport. So you can get this from the store for a total of 30 tickets. And then I also love music, so I had to go with the headphones. And these will be placed in the store for 80 tickets. So you may have to save up a little bit, but it'll be well worth it.
So what we're noticing is that there's varied items and also varied ticket values. So you can spend your tickets early on. You can save throughout the year and get some of those bigger items like the t-shirt and the headphones. Lots of cool stuff. There's some things that aren't necessarily even on the table I wanted to highlight. You can have lunch with the dean or with me. I believe it's 20 tickets if I'm remembering correctly. A free recess, you know, an opportunity to have a free recess. That's pretty awesome. Or an extra recess. That's 25 tickets. So keep saving those tickets because you're going to be able to do some fun stuff with them. Let me close with this though. More important than earning all the tickets and earning prizes, even though we think it's really fun and we hope you have a great time with it this year, is just the fact that you're going to feel extra good, I think, when you know you're doing the right thing. We really focus on character at Excel because it's super important. So we hope whether you earn an Eagle ticket or not, that you are doing the right thing because it's the right thing to do. So keep up the great work. We're proud of you. Be safe, be responsible, be respectful, and have a great rest of the day.